This is Austin ZZP. We have a dual pass end plate with instructions. There's the dual pass end plate. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Alright, we also got the intake spacer. Intake temperatures down. Got the enough invoice. Got the hardware. We got 3/4 hose for dual pass end plate. We also have the Stage 2 belt. We got the ZZP lanyard. Packing list. Alright, we got injector harness. We have the ZZP MP hub. We have the ZZP 3.0 pulley. And we have the 60 SEMA injectors. They're really nice. They're really nice. We have 1 step colder spark plugs. All 4 of them. We have included hardware for the S3 heat exchanger, and also we have the tuned PCM. Pretty nice, got instructions, and also we have the S3 stealth heat exchanger. Really nice quality, really nice quality. Fins are a little bent, but other than that, it looks really nice. And we also have the 3/4 heater hose. The 3/4 heater hose. Alright, I got my old injector harness off. Little clips on the sides to release each individual injector connection. And if you follow the old harness connection right here, follow it down below this right here, just disconnect this, and to slide that off, there's a little lip which I took my friction clip remover, and there is a little clip that goes over this. You just pull it up and slide it forward and it comes right out. And to install the new one, all you gotta do is just line your tracks up. And alright, I just put the ZZP heat exchanger on. I had to bend some of the brackets just a little bit. They were a little bit off, but not too bad. I went ahead and put in the plastic elbows, and I angled them about where I think I'm gonna need them.